So this is the kind of thing that really worries me. When normal people are compromising on their nutrition, on their well-being, on their health, all because the cost of living that we're experiencing is pushing people away from decent quality food and nutrition. Look, we've got to acknowledge that we've got a certain problem that we can address, which is an income problem. So if it's the case that we are not earning enough to afford decent food, now's a great time to start thinking about where we can push that income challenge a little bit more, where we can make that little bit of extra income to help make sure that we keep our bodies well conditioned. You know, there's a lot of scientific research that shows us that consuming frozen food in excess is terrible for us and has a whole load of long-term problems. We've got to avoid it the best we can, and if it means fighting for more income, so be it, so we can get better food.